Alright, so this is going to be a video of this fan right here. I believe this could be a Harbor Breeze Builder's Best at some point. Or it could be a Hampton Bay Huntington, or it could be a Harbor Breeze Classic or Springfield. I don't know. I don't really know for sure. Because I don't see a brand up there. And the poaching has an S on it. Except having any brand on it. So I have to leave the light on for this fan because lighting is not best in this room. So I'm going to start with low. Here's low. Give you a better angle of it. This could be a Craftmate CXL at one point. I don't know for sure. I don't really know for sure. I can tell it's a builder fan because it has because of the blade brackets. Looks like a builder fan to me. It's the same house that has this Harbor Breeze. There's a Harbor Breeze ceiling fan here as well. Along with the water tin is right there as well. Okay, I'll bring it up to medium. Bring it up to, here's medium. Just go a little bit kind of slow. That's okay. And I'm also going to do my special effects series, which is going to be from this house right here. Bring it up to high. Here's high. There it is. It's the top shot of it. Alright, that's it.